Okay, here we go. Here's how to make a pie chart from the data on the worksheet. Pie. You start by just highlighting the data. Then Control C, or however you like to copy the data. Then go onto the File menu, New, Spreadsheet. And then Control V to enter the data into the spreadsheet. Now I don't know why, but you seem to get a extra row you don't need popped in. Just go delete that row. I did that by right clicking on the number 1 in the row. So now we need to then highlight that data, insert, chart, and you may need to get the pie chart looking like that, you may need to change over here to say pie chart. There's a little drop down menu, and that's all you need to do. You then need to copy that and paste it in as your answer to question 1 on the worksheet. Okay, so creating a pie chart, pie, is as simple as that. Okay?